This Antego tire and wheel Ariens tire set provides a ready-to-install replacement for compatible Ariens snowblowers, arriving already mounted and fully shaped in the box. The 13 by 4.10 by 6 inch tubeless tires use a non-directional tread pattern that delivers stable traction whether you are moving forward or backing up in snow. A relatively soft two-ply construction helps absorb vibration, giving the machine a smoother ride across uneven driveways and walkways. With a maximum load rating of 285 pounds at 24 pounds per square inch, the tires are well suited to typical residential snowblower demands. The gray 6 by 3.25 inch wheels with a hub length of 4.213 inches and 3/4 inch bore are designed to match many Ariens setups without modification. As long as you confirm your model and serial number compatibility, this set of two can significantly simplify maintenance by letting you swap both wheels at once for consistent performance.